ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे topic of that day is drugs. What are the drugs and how they affect on our body? This is the I am discussing the immunology part with you. So the next topic is the drugs. What is the drugs? How will you define the drugs? How will you define the drugs? Clear? What are the drugs? Drugs. Drugs. Any drugs are the organic or inorganic substance, organic or inorganic substance, or inorganic substance, inorganic substance, inorganic substance organic or inorganic substance used in the preparation of medicines, used in the preparation of medicines, used in the preparation of medicines, organic or inorganic substance used in the preparation of medicines. This is called as drugs. What is drug abuse? When the drug is taken for the purpose, when the drug is taken for the purpose other than clinical use, when the drug is taken for the purpose other than clinical use is called as drug abuse. This drug, when we use other than the clinical purpose, it show physiological functioning. It affect our physiological and physical functioning of the body. The physical activities as well as physiological functions of the body are also affected by taking the drug. This is called drug abuse. So two type of drugs are found in the nature. Type of drugs. What is the type of drugs? Type of drugs. First is the psychotropic drug. And other is the psychedelic drug. Psychedelic drug. Psychotropic drug and psychedelic drug. Psychedelic drug. Two type of drugs. Psychotropic drug and psychedelic drug. Psychotropic drug. What is psychotropic drug? What is psychotropic drug? It is also called as mood altering drug. Mood altering drug. This is also called as mood altering drug. Mood altering drug. It induces sleep and calm effect. It induces sleep and calm effect. It induces sleep. Sleep and calm effect. It induces sleep and calm effect on the body. Calm effect on the body. Clear? Mood altering drug है. how they work, what are the examples of the psychotropic drugs which are found in nature. Example is the opium narcotics. Opium narcotics. So which drugs come under the psychotropic drugs are opium narcotics. Opium narcotics. Narcotics comes under the psychotropic drug. Opium narcotics comes under the psychotropic drug. The drugs obtained from opium plant. Drugs obtained from opium plant papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum is the ferrum. Papaver somniferum is a opium plant. Clear. Papaver somniferus. Opium plant. The drug obtained from opium plant Papaver somniferum is called as opium narcotics. For example, this plant is Papaver somniferum is also called as poppy plant. This is also called as poppy plant. This is also called as poppy plant. This is clear. So what are the how they make it? So clear. So these are the opiate narcotics. You have three types of opiate narcotics. Type of opium. It may be natural. Example of natural is morphine, codeine. Morphine. Second is the codeine. Morphine and codeine are the natural opium which are found in nature. Other is the semi-synthetic. In semi-synthetic, it is heroin and smack. Heroin. Second is the smack. Heroin and smack is the synthetic. Third is the synthetic. Pethidine, methadone, synthetic. Pethidine, methadone. These are the examples of the classification of the opium drugs. Natural, morphine, codeine, semi-synthetic, heroin, smack, and synthetic is pethidine and methadone. So these are the first is the morphine. These are the type of opium narcotics. These are the types of opium narcotics which are obtained from the opium plant. The botanical name of the opium plant is Papaver somniferum. The common name is called poppy plant. This is also called as poppy plant. So how they work in the body when we taken? Other is the first is the morphine. First is what is morphine? How the morphine work? Morphine. It is extracted from dry milky secretion. It is extracted from dry milky secretion It is excreted from dry milky secretion of unripe capsule fruiting body of unripe capsule of poppy plant. Unripe capsule is the fruiting body. Unripe capsule of poppy plant. Dry milky secretion ripe capsule of poppy plant. Capsule of poppy plant. It is a analgesic drug. It act as analgesic. It act as analgesic. Analgesic means painkiller. It is used to reduce the pain. So it is called painkiller. It is used in the treatment of pain during cancer. It is also used in the treatment of cancer. It is used in the treatment of cancer. It is used in the treatment of cancer. In cancer, a lot of pain upon occur in the patient. So to relieve the pain, this drug is given to the patient, cancer patient. Second is it is also used it also used by the patient who have undergone surgery. It is also used by the patient. It is given to the patients who undergone surgery. It is also given to the patient who undergoes surgery. This is the use of the morphine. Other is the codeine. Second is the codeine. How the codeine work? How the codeine work? It is methyl morphine. It is called as 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 methyl morphine. The chemical name of the codeine is methyl morphine. It is mild analgesic. It is a mild analgesic. It is a mild analgesic. Mild analgesic. It is a mild analgesic है, painkiller है. It is also used in the cup syrup. It is also used in the cup syrup. It is also used in the cup syrup. It is used in the cup syrup. जो आपकी खांसी की सिरप होती हैं उसके अंदर भी इसको यूज करते हैं और इसको लेने के बाद बच्चे को देते हैं तो नींद आ जाती है. आपने खांसी की अगर दवा बच्चे को दे देंगे, छोटे बच्चों को, तो नींद आ जाती है, क्योंकि ये क्या है, एनाल्जेसिक भी है और थोड़ा सा ये नींद स्लीप इंड्यूसिंग भी है, स्लीप भी इंड्यूस कराती है. क्लियर है? तो ये आपने पढ़ना है. तो ये कैसे काम करते हैं मॉर्फिन एंड कोडेइन. मॉर्फिन के अगर एक्सेस में ली जाए तो उसका एक साइड इफेक्ट ये है कि कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है. कॉन्स्टिपेशन प्रॉब्लम व्हेन इट टेकन इन ए लार्ज अमाउंट. तो दिस इज द साइड इफेक्ट. तो अदर इज द हीरोइन. व्हाट इज हीरोइन? हीरोइन इज आल्सो अदर इज द हीरोइन. Heroin drug. Heroin diacetyl morphine. The name of the heroin is diacetyl morphine. Diacetyl morphine. Name of the heroin is diacetyl morphine. It is most dangerous in all the opiates. It is the most dangerous in all opiates में, most dangerous. In all opiates, this is most dangerous. Third is it is highly addictive. It is highly addictive. It is formed by acetylation of morphine. It is formed by acetylation of morphine. It is formed by acetylation of morphine. Other is the SMAC. Fourth is the SMAC. SMAC. It is also called as, it is a byproduct of heroin synthesis. 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 It is a byproduct of heroin synthesis, and it is called as brown sugar. 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 Clear? It is also called as brown sugar. It is diacetyl morphine hydrochloride. The name of the SMAC is chemical name of SMAC. Chemical name of SMAC is diacetyl morphine hydrochloride. Diacetyl morphine hydrochloride. Diacetyl morphine hydrochloride. Diacetyl morphine hydrochloride is a chemical name of SMAC. Diacetyl morphine hydrochloride is a chemical name of the SMAC. How they work in the body? What is the working of opiates in the body? What is the working of opiates in the body? How the opiates work in the body? Working of opiate narcotics. Opiate bind to the opioid receptor. Opiate bind to the opioid receptor present in our brain. Opioid receptor present in our brain. Present in our brain. Opiate receptors present in our brain, central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract. So these substance depress the central nervous system. These substance depress the central nervous system. Depress CNS, central nervous system, and relieve pain. So they are also called as and relieve pain, and induce sleep. So how the opiate receptors are present in our brain? When they take the drug, these drugs, opiate drug goes into the attached to the opiate receptor and depress the central nervous system and relieve pain. So the working of the opiate receptors. Other is the stimulants. What are the stimulants? How they work? Stimulants. Other, I'm discussing with the stimulants. B is the stimulants. What are stimulants? Stimulants. Stimulants, they excite the central nervous system. They increase the stimulants, they increase the activity of central nervous system. They increase the activity of CNS. They increase the activity of CNS, central nervous system. Activity of central nervous system by releasing a hormone, called noradrenaline, is called as noradrenaline hormone. Clear? Noradrenaline hormone, called as noradrenaline hormone. Noradrenaline hormone. Clear? How they, what the, they clear and increase the alertness of the body, increase the alertness of a person and increase alertness of a person. Increase alertness of a person. Increase alertness of a person. And clear? And other is but stimulants are of two types of stimulants. What are the type of stimulants? First is what are the types of stimulant? First stimulant is the caffeine, cocaine, nicotine. Caffeine, cocaine, caffeine, cocaine, 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 and nicotine. These are the natural stimulants. These are the natural stimulants. These are the natural stimulants found in the other is the natural stimulant. Other is the second stimulant is the synthetic. Synthetic में amphetamines. Synthetic stimulant amphetamine. Amphetamine is the synthetic stimulants only. How the caffeine? What is caffeine? Caffeine is found in the coffee and tea. Coffee and tea, caffeine chemical is present. Caffeine, it is a white crystalline bitter alkaloid. It is a white crystalline bitter alkaloid. It is a white crystalline bitter alkaloid. It is a white crystalline bitter alkaloid derived from seeds of coffee plant. Derived from seeds of coffee plant. Derived from seeds of coffee plant. Seeds of coffee plant. Seeds of coffee plant. Derived from seeds of coffee plants. Caffeine. Clear? And it is a mildest stimulant. It is a mildest stimulant. Mildest stimulant and increase the activity of. It is used as cardiac and nervous stimulant. It increases the activity cardiac and nervous stimulant. Cardiac and nervous stimulant. Cardiac and nervous stimulant. It increases the activity of nervous system as well as heart. It increases the activity of nervous system and heart. So mild analgesic. Other is the what is the it decrease the and second is the it decrease the level of ADH hormone. It decrease the level of ADH hormone. Decrease the level of ADH hormone. ADH hormone, antidiuretic hormone in body. Antidiuretic hormone in body. It decrease the level of ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone. So, and it also inhibits the release of histamine. It also inhibits release of histamine. Inhibit release of histamine in the body. Release of histamine. So these are the effects of coffee in our plant, in our body. Effects of coffee in our body. Other is the tea also have the similar effect. Tea obtained from leaves of the tea plant. Tea. How the tea is obtained? Tea is obtained leaves of the tea plant. Sorry, what is tea? It means we can say that nicotine. Sorry, nicotine. Nicotine is also found. Caffeine is also found in the tea. Clear? And caffeine is also obtained leaves of the tea plant. Clear? Leaves of the tea plant. And other is the coca plant, cocaine. Last is the cocaine. Last is the cocaine. 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 What is the source of cocaine? It is a white powder obtained from coca plant. It is a white powder. White powder obtained from coca plant. Obtained from coca plant. It is a white powder obtained from coca plant. Okay. Leaves and twigs of the, especially leaves and twigs, छोटे parts हैं उसके, branches के, twigs, obtained from the leaves and twigs of the coca plant. The name of the coca plant is erythrogylone coca. Erythrogylone coca. The name of the coca plant is erythrogylone coca. Erythrogylone coca is the name of the plant. How they work? It is a strong stimulant. Effect on the body. Effect on body. It is a strong stimulant. Strong stimulant in our body. It is a strong stimulant in our body. It induce sense of well-being. इससे क्या हो जाता है कि आदमी को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं सब कुछ ठीक है. It induce sense of well-being. ठीक हो चाहे ना हो वैसा सोचता है. इंड्यूस ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ सैंक्विंग प्लेजर, उसको खुश रहेगा वो हमेशा, और सेंस ऑफ वेलबींग रहेगा. क्लियर है. एंड स्नोटिंग एंड अदर इज द सेंस ऑफ वेलबींग. इट इज आल्सो क्लियर है. इट इज आल्सो ए पावरफुल CNS स्टिमुलेंट. इट इज ए पावरफुल CNS स्टिमुलेंट. इट इंड्यूस सेंस ऑफ वेलबींग. आदमी बहुत खुश रहेगा, हैप्पीनेस देगा. स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टिमुलेंट है कि क्लियर है. और इट इज आल्सो एक्ट एज ए vasoconstrictor. It is also act as a vasoconstrictor. It also act as a vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor क्या होता है? जो ब्लड वेसल को क्या करा देते हैं? कंस्ट्रिक्ट करा देते हैं. Vasoconstrictor मीन जिससे ब्लड वेसल कंस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाए, सिकुड़ जाए. It act as a vasoconstrictor. तो these are the clear है. Overdose of these cocaine cause headache, respiratory and cardiac failure. Respiratory failure and cardiac failure due to the excess of cocaine, the excess of coffee. If we take coffee in excess, then the respiratory failure, cardiac failure also occur. Clear hai? And mental disorder, also the mental disorder. So these are the clear hai. Amphetamines, last is the amphetamines. What is amphetamine? What is amphetamine? Last is amphetamine. What is the amphetamine? It is also called as PEP pills. PEP pills synthetic drug hai. It is synthetic drug. It is called as PEP pills. It is called as PEP pills. PEP. It is a synthetic drug. Synthetic drug. It is also a synthetic drug. And other is it is a synthetic drug. It is also called PEP pill. Anti-sleep drug. It is also anti-sleep drug. Anti-sleep drug. It is mostly used by truck drivers and students. Truck drivers, students and night workers. Night workers also use this drug. Worker also use this drug. This drug increase confidence, alertness, wakefulness. This drug increase confidence, wakeful activity, wakefulness, confidence, wakefulness in the person, and alertness in a person. So these are the stimulants, examples of stimulants. So I will discuss next drug, psychedelic drug, in the next lecture. Thank you very much. हो गया भाई?